Okay, it's been a while since I made a treat and I am craving something sweet today. And all I have in the house is some dates and I want more than a date. So, long time ago, well, I don't know how long ago, it seems like forever because I haven't been able to make my normal stuff from going through this health issue, but I'm getting better every day. So anyways, I'm gonna make like a bark, like a chocolate bark. And it's, you don't have to cook it, bake it, whatever. I want something quick. All right, we just gotta put it in the freezer when it's ready. So what we're gonna do, I'm not great at measuring stuff, but I would say about a 1/3 cup of coconut oil. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna get that in just a little pot, little saucepan. I'm just gonna eyeball stuff at first. All right, so whatever kind of coconut oil you have on hand. Now, these aren't our must, but they smell so good. They smell like chocolate. And this is cocoa butter. Now, I'm just gonna put like a little bit in. Just a little bit. In she goes. I'm gonna melt all this together. All right. Now, you can use any kind of nut butter you want. I've got peanut butter. A lot of times I've used almond butter. And then I've chopped up almonds and added them after, but I'm just going to, this is a crunchy peanut butter. So I'm just going to put this in. And how much are we gonna do of this? Well, let me just eyeball this first. Ooh. I would say about another 1/3 cup. I mean, who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate? I just love it. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is we're gonna get this on the stove on low and we're just going to melt it. Okay, it is melted. Ooh. Looks so good already. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit of vanilla, probably like a teaspoon. Close to a teaspoon anyways. Now what measured, okay. I'm gonna dump this in here. This is a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I'm gonna dump it now because I want this. I'm just using that. I barely have any left, so I'm hoping that's enough. Now what I want to add next is, my sweetener of choice is some organic maple syrup, and this is about, ooh, that might even be too much. I don't like mine really sweet, so as you can see I got a 1/4 cup, but I'm gonna add just half of that for now. Depends how sweet you want it. Like I like dark chocolate, I'm that kind of girl. All right, let's get the cacao powder in there. Got a good stir. See, I would stir it till you get most of the lumps out. And you know what's hard? Because I got peanuts in here. And you can't tell if it's lumpy or if it's peanuts. That's okay. It's all good. Now what I want to do is just taste it for sweetness. So here we go. Maybe we'll add a little more sweetener in there. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I can taste the chocolate, so it was enough chocolate. Just taste it. And if not chocolate enough, add, a little bit more. Okay, now we're gonna pour it into our container lined with parchment paper. Okay, let's get this into our container with our parchment paper. It should just fall in there. Oh, there we go. All right. I tasted it again, and it could use a little bit more peanut butter, but that's okay. Like I say, just taste it as you go along, and you'll be able to tell what you need or don't don't need. So we're gonna get it in this container. The rest you can just enjoy while waiting for it. And then we're just gonna like move this around, okay? So we got it like that. And now I did actually chop up some peanuts because I just thought we'd have a little bit more peanut action going on in there. Because like I said, I like peanuts, peanut butter and chocolate. So good. Just sprinkle that on. And if you have almonds, or you can use whatever kind of nuts you want actually. I love almonds in there too. You can even toast them first. And then I've got some flaky sea salt. So with the flaky sea salt, we're just gonna flake some on top. I'm just gonna kind of break some up in my hands. Ooh, it got a little bit hard there. You don't want too thick, but I love, you know, Lindt chocolate. You can buy that one that has the sea salt in it. It's a dark chocolate. Oh, and chocolate and mint too. Oh, did I say I like chocolate? Yeah, I do. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna put that into the freezer. And I'd probably say give it a good, we'll check on it in a half hour. I'm not sure if it's an hour. I can't remember last time I made it. And then when it's ready, we're gonna take it out, break it up into bark pieces, and then we're gonna have a taste. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I went for another walk. That's 2 walks today. Maybe I got 10,000 steps in. I don't know, but look what's out of the freezer. And I walked twice today for a reason. All right, let's take your parchment paper out. Oh, this is a thicker one. Okay. I'll show you the thickness. That's the size of my dish there. I don't know what that is. I can't see the measurements, but this looks like here's how thick it is. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now, it might be too frozen to cut, let's see. Oh no, it cuts well. So I'm just gonna cut it into whatever misshaped bark pieces. And a lot of times I like letting this sit maybe a minute before I bite into it, just because I find, I like more of a room temperature chocolate. To me, it just needs to have a little bit more flavor and taste. I'm not gonna cut these too big or else I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Okay, there we go. All right, let's pick one and let's give this a try because I just can't wait to try it. That looks so good. It's so good. I got chocolate on my finger. I wanted to like bring you a little closer. Okay, here it is. Ready? That is good. It's super creamy. Like the right amount of sweetness in there. I can taste the peanut butter. Like I say, I probably could have added just a little bit more, but, and I like the extra crunch from the peanuts. You guys, give this a try. It's really easy to do. And then I'll put it back in the dish and I'm just gonna leave it in the, I can't remember now, fridge or freezer. I think the fridge, it'll stay perfectly in the fridge. If it gets too melty, then just put it in your freezer. Okay, I gotta go and finish this. All right, I hope you give this a try and have yourself an awesome day.